discuss us, ano ba yung importance ng sleep hygiene and what are the sleep hygiene? Kasi yun yung very basic na dapat alam ng ating mga kababayan. Ano ba yung sleep hygiene na yan? Why do we need to practice this?
Yeah. In order to sleep well or to improve your sleep, ganun lang yun. Ganun lang siya. So number one, yung sinabi ko kanina, sleep every day, same time, tapos wake up at the same time every day. Parating ganun. That's one sleep hygiene. And then another one is avoid alcohol prior to sleep. Kasi if you drink alcohol prior to sleep, nare-relax yung muscles natin. So nagiging parang nagkakaroon ka na ng sleep apnea prior to sleep. Kasi some people thought that if you drink alcohol, makakatulog ka.
Yan, yung misconception ng ating...
Yes. Yes, you will, pero light yung sleep.
Yung maintenance din.
Yung maintenance. Pero yung sleep onset niya, okay
you will,
lang.
Yeah, makatulog ka kaagad, pero yung maintenance of sleep...
Yung maintenance mo yung magiging problem.
There you go.
So what else? Ano pang mga sleep hygiene natin?
Bedroom,
yeah.
Bedroom settings, mga ganun, di ba?
Kasi ang ang body clock natin, no, we're very allergic to light.
Yeah.
Kasi when we're sleeping, kung matutulog na tayo, yung ilaw kasi natin, no, which is found on yung artificial light,
Right.
Sunlight, cellphone, these are blue light. Pag blue light, ang nangyayari, if our eyes senses the blue light, our brain will activate.
Yeah.
So parang gigisingin na tayo.
So yung ba yung nadidelay yung melatonin release?
Yeah.
Nadidelay, okay.
That's why sinasabihan ko sila, 2 hours prior to sleep, please refrain from using your cellphone. Kasi